Hey guys, and today I'm here to showcase my 50-year-old bird. Basically, it was either my grandparents' mom or dad, or my great-great-grandparents, I don't know which one, who had an old, really mechanical bird that you cranked a lever and then it would play. So I'm gonna play it for you guys. Okay guys, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, notification bell, subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button with your little bird paw, your bird things or whatever, and then hit that some notification bell to know when I make new content, and make sure to hit that like button and comment. Thanks, guys. Bye. Tyler, over.